KeraLase is another revolutionary new treatment coming from Lutronic. It's a solution added to the LaseMD, which is the laser right here. And basically what the LaseMD is doing is preparing the scalp, and then following the treatment, you actually add in this growth factor complex. And the growth factor complex is all aimed at allowing your hair to be revitalized and grow thicker, fuller, healthier, and new. So what this is doing is kind of aerating the lawn, opening up the skin on the scalp, and what this is doing is fertilizing it. And you use them in combination so that you get these growth factors down into the skin, and it's going to be more effective than any PRP solution, any PRF solution for hair growth, simply because it's a standardized version of the PRP. So anyone that has thinning hair, anyone that's hairline is receding, anyone that has a bald spot, or even people that have gray hair and want their hair to naturally turn back to its natural color. So it's 3 to 6 treatments. It usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes per treatment. And you're going to start to see results about a month after the first treatment, and then it will get compoundingly better according to how many treatments you're doing.